How to use video call effects on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Advanced Features. After click on Advanced Features, you will see Video Effects is here. Make sure turn on Video Effects. After turn on Video Effects, go back and click on Phone app and click on Contact. Click on Video Call. After click on Video Call, click on scroll down and click on Video Effect. After click on Video Effect, click on background and you will select background color from here. After select background color, click on background and you will see image. You will select image from here. After select image, go back to home screen. So that's how you can use video call effects on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.